Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Desiree. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a soft classic inspired look. If you don't know, my Kibbe style is the soft classic, and so I wanted to do a date night look based on our style. And yeah, so here we go. I'm doing my eyebrows. First of all, soft Kibbes, our eyebrows need to be on fleek, okay? Because we have such balanced features, we have to make sure that both of our brows are sisters, twins, Tia Tamara, and not cousins, okay? So make sure your eyebrows are on fleek, and then I'm going to do a dark blue eye look, and I'm using the Kate Von D Fetish palette. I went in with like a smoky brown. It's almost like a taupe color first, and this look is going to be really smoky. My season is dark autumn, so I can really get away with these dark smoky looks, but I prefer to what you call it, I prefer to oh goodness, I prefer to keep the smokiness on the outer corners of my eye, to kind of, not be as intense. Even though I can take the intensity, this is still a soft classic look. We're not like a dramatic or theatrical, I'm sorry. So you want to kind of keep the smokiness kind of controlled and elegant. So I'm going to go ahead and start on my complexion. I use the e.l.f. primer, and then the NARS, which NARS foundation is that? Because I have both. It is the NARS All Day Luminous foundation. And then as I'm doing my concealer, I'm going to keep the lighter color that I use for the brightness towards the center of my face. Like I said, being a soft classic, everything needs to pretty much be controlled, and you want to keep a balance, because we do have a balance of yin and yang in our bone structure and in our faces. So I kept the lighter concealer in the middle, and I just put powder everywhere I concealed. And now I'm going to go in and lightly do some bronzing. I don't heavily contour anymore, because it tends to make soft classics look a lot older or a lot unbalanced in our looks. So now I'm going to finish up my eyes using the CoverGirl Overthrown palette. That nice blue shade in there, I'm going under my eyes, and I kind of went a little too much with it, and I kind of went all the way to my inner corner, and that makes my eyes look really small. So what I did is took some concealer and I covered the inner part of my eye and kept it out towards the ends of my eye. And now I'm going in with the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Chestnut, and then the MAC lipstick in I think it's Velvet Teddy. And yeah, so just a pretty neutral look. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.